Shared hosting is cost-effective for beginner or low-traffic websites. But when your traffic grows, it's time to start looking for a virtual private server or VPS hosting. With VPS hosting, you won't be sharing hosting resources with anyone, and you can set up the server the way you want. After researching dozens of providers, we've narrowed down the top VPS hosting plans. And as always, timestamps below this video, along with the latest discounts to all of these providers. So let's get started. 1. HostGator. HostGator is the best VPS hosting provider because of its high-quality services at incredibly low prices. The provider's semi-managed VPS hosting can be used for anything from online stores to web-based apps. The performance is great, and the provider ensures ease of use. Plus, full server control is in your hands. HostGator's VPS hosting is semi-managed. This means you get full root access and a pre-installed VPS control panel. So, if you're a pro developer, there's enough space for custom configurations. And if you're a beginner and VPS sounds scary, HostGator is easy enough to figure out. All of HostGator's VPS plans come with a dedicated IP, full root access, and support. Yet, the resources vary from 1 to 8 cores, 4 to 32 gigabytes of RAM, 50 to 400 gigabytes of SSD storage, and 1 to 8 terabytes of bandwidth. HostGator is one of the few VPS hosting companies that won't hide behind claims of unlimited or unmetered bandwidth and traffic. Just as it lays out the resources you're allowed for storage and RAM, it tells you how much bandwidth you get per month. Its best value plan normally costs $13.99 per month, and HostGator offers a promotional rate of $5.99 to new customers. On top of that, HostGator ensures excellent loading times with a 100 megabytes per second guarantee on your network. In addition, you have complete control over your hosting as it offers full root access. HostGator has a dedicated IPv6 block infrastructure to keep connections secure and efficient. Its servers provide enough processing power for medium to large-scale online projects. These servers are suitable enough for streaming, gaming, and other web activities that require speed. Webmasters will also enjoy HostGator's instant snapshot feature that's included with every plan. If you're planning to perform a major change or update on the site, you can use this tool to create a manual snapshot. So, if you run into any problems during the deployment, you can always roll back to the snapshot version in a matter of minutes. It's also worth noting that HostGator has been consistently using AI to improve its products. In addition to using AI for security purposes, they recently rolled out an AI assistant for VPS management. This is a really cool feature if you want to get your hands in the weeds but don't have a technical background. You could use it to configure firewall rules or create scripts to back up MySQL databases. Coupled with its great pricing and rich features, the VPS host offers great value for money. It's simple enough for beginners, yet robust enough to handle more advanced capabilities for the pros. Overall, we highly recommend HostGator to anyone who wants fast, secure, and reliable VPS hosting. HostGator offers our audience up to 75% off discount for all pricing plans. 2. Bluehost. Bluehost is an industry leader in the web hosting space, and its VPS plans offer a wide range of hosting options to accommodate the needs of nearly every website. Bluehost is an excellent choice for anyone new to VPS hosting, or new to hosting in general. VPS hosting gives you more control over the server than standard shared hosting does. However, with that control comes increased responsibilities, which many inexperienced users find overwhelming. Not with Bluehost, though. It has designed everything with beginners in mind. This increased autonomy allows for a more tailored web experience, but typically requires a deeper understanding of server management. Understanding the potential challenges that newcomers might face, Bluehost has tailored its services to simplify the transition. The platform is intuitively designed, ensuring that even those with minimal experience in web hosting can navigate its complexities with ease. Support is never far away, thanks to a comprehensive knowledge base filled with insightful articles on VPS hosting. Should questions or technical issues arise, Bluehost's dedicated customer support team is readily accessible around the clock through various channels including telephony, email, and live chat. Bluehost allows multi-server management, meaning you can add more space to your plan at any given time. This is ideal for websites that need to scale at a moment's notice without any delays or downtime. You'll be able to accomplish this directly from your advanced cPanel without any assistance from a Bluehost administrator. Bluehost's pricing begins at $23 per month for a 12-month contract or $29 per month on the standard plan. Bluehost may not seem like one of the cheapest platforms for VPS hosting at first, but what sets Bluehost apart, however, is it has no extra renewal costs. What you pay for the first 12 months is what you will continue to pay. All VPS plans are backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, providing a risk-free opportunity to test the service. This assurance, coupled with the promise of ample resources, stellar support, and reliable uptime, positions Bluehost as a worthy contender for anyone looking to embark on or enhance their VPS hosting journey. Below this video is a link that will give you up to 50% off for all Bluehost pricing plans. 3. DreamHost. DreamHost comes with easy navigation, affordable prices, and decent performance, which makes it a good VPS hosting solution. DreamHost is a managed VPS with updates, performance, and security in the hands of the provider. You get a custom control panel to manage everything website related, while DreamHost takes care of the back end. You won't get root access with this solution. It's designed with beginners in mind. Whichever hosting package you choose, you get access to DreamHost's control panel, unlimited bandwidth and domains, an SSL certificate, and unlimited email accounts. DreamHost includes free business email as a feature for its VPS hosting plans, but there isn't a standard list of what you should get with a plan. DreamHost also gives you a 100% uptime guarantee, an SSL certificate, and 24/7 chat support. In terms of pricing, DreamHost keeps things affordable. There are 4 plans, and the prices start at $10 per month for the low plan, which gives you a generous 30 gigabytes of storage, 1 gigabyte of RAM, and bandwidth isn't limited as long as you don't use too many resources compared to your server mates. Plus, if you find that the service is not for you, you can make use of the 30-day money-back guarantee. DreamHost doesn't limit the number of domains you can host on your VPS, but you still have to adhere to its policy about resource usage. If you attract too much traffic so that puts a strain on other clients' sites, you may have to upgrade your plan. 4. HostGator. HostGator is another popular name in the world of web hosting. Its VPS plans are known for their excellent pricing. Where HostGator really shines, though, is in its excellent customer support offerings. For example, it offers free content transfers if you're migrating from a different web host. That's a service that you'd normally spend hundreds of dollars on at another hosting site. But HostGator transfers website files, databases, scripts, and 1 free domain registration for absolutely no cost to you. You just have to do it within 30 days of signing up. That's world-class support. HostGator's VPS hosting solution is fully customizable and built to scale. With VPS hosting, getting timely customer support from the right person is crucial. The increased control you have over the server environment means that a huge number of issues can arise. Questions get technically complex very quickly, and you may not even know how to articulate what is going wrong. Their customer support team is also on hand 24/7, 365 via phone, email, or live chat to help you with any of your needs. HostGator has strong features, unlimited bandwidth, and tons of storage. What lets HostGator down is its value for money. Expensive renewal costs take a reasonable $34 per month price to $83 per month. That is enough to put off those on a tight budget, although it does offer 75% discounts for the first term. HostGator's VPS plans are geared towards more professional, experienced web managers, though. They're very good at giving developers great control over their exact hosting specifications. HostGator also stands out with its reliable and multi-layer security network. Along with that, you get unlimited MySQL databases, full root access, and unlimited SFTP users. So, if you want more control over the technical aspects of your website, this is the host for you. 5. Cloudways. Cloudways distinguishes itself by partnering with 5 leading cloud infrastructure providers: DigitalOcean, Linode, Vultr, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud. This unique approach allows users to select their preferred infrastructure while Cloudways handles the setup, offering a seamless experience without direct engagement with the providers. The way Cloudways does pricing is pretty neat. Cloudways makes a VPS available as low as $10 per month. You only pay for what you use, which means if your website doesn't get a lot of traffic one month, you won't be paying through the nose. They're also there to help you out anytime, day or night, with a solid support team ready to answer your questions or fix issues, ensuring your site stays up and running smoothly nearly all the time. They make sure your site runs fast and smoothly, especially with their premium plans that use the latest tech for even better performance. Getting started with Cloudways is super easy. They let you try their service free for 3 days without even asking for your credit card, which is great for seeing if it's the right fit for you. Once you're in, managing your site is straightforward with their dashboard. You can keep an eye on your server, adjust settings, and scale up your resources as your site grows, all without needing to be a tech expert. Security is a big deal for Cloudways. They protect your site from bad guys with firewalls and keep your data safe with SSL certificates. If you're worried about DDoS attacks, they have an extra service to guard against that too. To make your site load super fast for visitors from all over the world, they offer Cloudflare's CDN service, but it costs a bit extra. Their customer support is awesome, available 24/7 through live chat and tickets. Depending on what you need, they have different levels of support, from basic help to more in-depth assistance with a dedicated account manager if you go for their top plans. In short, Cloudways is a solid choice for VPS hosting because it's easy to use, flexible, and reliable. Whether you're new to hosting or have been around the block a few times, Cloudways gives you the tools and support to make sure your site performs well and stays secure. 6. Liquid Web. Liquid Web stands out as a high-end web hosting provider with an impressive track record of over 25 years. Serving a vast clientele of over 180,000 customers across the globe, they currently manage more than 500,000 websites. Unlike many providers, Liquid Web prioritizes delivering top-tier performance over budget pricing. However, this doesn't necessarily make Liquid Web expensive. Even its cheapest VPS plan comes with a fast 10 billion bits per second network, 50 gigabytes of Acronis cyber backups, supports unlimited websites, and includes a 100% network uptime and power guarantee. However, it's still very affordable at $15 per month on the 2-year plan, billed up front. There's plenty of choice too. Liquid Web has 4 plans: Essential, Advanced, Professional, and Elite, and all of them will get you 50 gigabytes of cloud backups, Cloudflare CDN, dedicated IP, multi-level DDoS protection, and robust security overall. If your VPS still has issues, there's speedy 24/7 support from knowledgeable professionals who, in our experience, go the extra mile to solve your problems quickly. Liquid Web may not have the most appealing headline prices, but it's still cheaper than many others. Considering the features you get and the excellent support will help keep your site running smoothly down the line. 7. A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting offers some of the fastest hosting out there, and its VPS offerings are no exception. Compared to others on this list, A2 offers an unmatched blend of affordability and performance that is made possible by its plentiful options for both managed and unmanaged VPS hosting. Typically, unmanaged VPS plans with root access and custom features come at a higher price point, but not with A2 Hosting. Experienced developers can get an unmanaged virtual private server for as low as $4.99 per month. A2 Hosting is one of the few providers that offers both managed and unmanaged VPS plans. That lowest priced plan delivers 1 gigabyte of RAM, 500 gigabytes of bandwidth, and just 20 gigabytes of solid-state drive storage. So it's most appropriate for low-volume sites that simply want to load in an instant for any visitor. But when you step up beyond that entry-level plan, you unlock tons of extra power and storage for improved performance. Each successive plan delivers more RAM, more disk space, and higher bandwidth limits, going all the way up to an impressive combination of 16 gigabytes of memory, 300 gigabytes of NVMe storage, and 6 terabytes of transfer, supported by 8 CPU cores. You'll also get root access for greater control to make custom changes to your virtual server. Coupled with the low price point, this makes A2 a top choice for anyone who's looking to really take the reins of their website. A2 Hosting is unique in that it splits its prices into 2 different categories: managed and unmanaged. Unmanaged means you can reconfigure your server to your liking. If you're happy to take on a little more work with your web hosting, A2 Hosting offers some really affordable unmanaged VPS hosting plans starting from just $4.99 per month. However, for the rest of people who are probably not so tech-savvy that you could manage your own server, we recommend the managed plans. There are 6 plans to choose from, 3 standard plans and 3 more featuring A2's turbo speed. The 3 standard plans range from $24 to $44 per month. The VPS turbo plans cost between $54 and $74. These plans have stripped back on storage and cores, focusing instead on speed, with up to 20 times faster turbo servers. A2 Hosting offers a 99.9% uptime commitment on its VPS plans. They also offer a free account migration if you're moving to one of their servers from another host. Overall, A2 is a great choice, both for developers who want complete control and customization over their VPS, and for less tech-savvy users who want the speed of VPS at a competitive price. A2 Hosting also has one of the best customer support teams on the market. So if that's something that you prioritize, it's worth taking an even closer look at their plans. So these are the best VPS hosting providers available in the market. If you are undecided about which tool to choose, we highly recommend checking them out and doing your own research to see which hosting provider suits your needs best. Once again, we'll leave the best and latest discounts and free trials below this video for you. And make sure to like the video, subscribe, and check out other software tools reviews available on our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.